This is a cartoon of what the coronavirus looks like, magnified thousands of times. From this picture, you can see where it gets its name because it looks like a crown of thorns, and corona literally means crown in Latin. These thorns in the virus's crown are actually called spike proteins, and they really are the virus's key weapon to attack our bodies by attaching onto cells and invading them. Early last January, scientists from China published the genetic code for the virus on the internet so that folks from around the world could start working on it. You see these little squiggles here represent the genetic information for the virus. Scientists basically copied a tiny part of it that's responsible for making the spike protein. The other term you've heard for this little piece of genetic material is mRNA, which stands for messenger RNA, hence the mRNA vaccines. I like to think of the mRNA vaccines like a fortune cookie. You have this messenger RNA to tell the body, make the spike proteins. But the mRNA is fragile and it gets broken down quickly, so we wrap it inside a ball of fat, or my fortune cookie, so it lasts long enough to get injected in our bodies and get the message to our cells to start making those spike proteins. Simply put, the vaccine, or my fortune cookie, with the mRNA wrapped in a little ball of fat to protect it, gets injected in our muscle, tells our bodies to produce the spike protein, and then our immune system sees it as something foreign that deserves to be attacked and starts ramping up our immune system to make antibodies. Antibodies are the little soldiers our immune system makes to fight infections. So our antibody soldiers learn how to fight off the coronavirus spikes without ever having to be infected with the actual coronavirus. So just having the spike protein around gets us all of the benefits of having immunity without all of those nasty consequences associated with getting infected with the actual virus.